Okay, we're back guys. Ito na ngayon yung video natin.
Yung kay Armored Heroes.
Heroes. Ngayon, bago tong video, kasi bumili kami ng laruan, napili namin to, nakalagay Bryce and Lucian. Ayan, ganito yung Armored Heroes.
Yan, parang meron siyang tao
Parang
sa
meron
loob.
siyang spaceship na bilog tapos meron siyang tao. Okay, buksan natin. Hindi natin kailangan na kaya ko sirain.
Gisang. Oh, may look, he's strong. Wow.
Ah,
This is the instruction.
Lego.
Nee, we didn't need it. Ba't mo kanya
Instructions.
Eh,
Hindi
this
natin
sucks.
kailangan to.
This sucks. Okay, what's next?
Ito na lang. Ito, Legos pero maliliit. May tao. Mukha oh. Okay, dahil hindi namin. Thank you.